2008 massive Tahoe, lifted, jacked up, squatted. It's not a bad squat. It's not as bad as the other ones. Like, yeah, see? I've seen worse. I've seen better. We've seen it all, guys, over the years. When you're in business for 20 years, you've seen it all. And you got a normal Jeep with a mean face. It's pissed off that it doesn't look like this. Well, you can stay pissed, Jeep. Oh, back to the video. Sorry, I got sidetracked. I'm good at that. Long tube headers, there and there. He installed them himself. So I give him props. No leaks, nothing too. So they look good too. Cleared everything. He's got the whole setup, as you guys can see. I don't know where he got his headers from, but they fit. That's all that matters. There, all the way. Then it goes back to the original exhaust. Then he brought it to us and we installed from here, 3-inch pipe, connected it to the Flowmaster Super 10, part number 8430152. He brought his own muffler and we put it in for him. Then we ran duals out the back, as you guys can see there and there. And we dumped it right in the center into 6-inch tips, rolled. 2.5-inch inlet, 6-inch outlet. I don't have the part number on these either, guys. He brought his own parts, so we'll see if we can find them for you guys. But as you guys can see, looks really clean, really cool looking. Something different. He wanted this look out the back. Really clean. And I like how he did his lights. He did the lights himself too. See that? It's cool. Just some clean setup. Really nice. And this was the stock muffler that was on it right there. And there's the stock resonator that was on it. So we took all that off. And it's got a cam in it and everything. So it should have a really nice chop to it. So stay tuned, guys, and we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Done 90% of the work himself. So shouts out to him. Like seriously, for doing all the work yourself, man, shouts out to you, bro. It looks really nice. Look, even all the way out here, my watch says it's loud environment. We don't want it any other way. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Another happy customer. Chevy Tahoe lifted. Beast. Flowmaster Super 10. Got a cam in it. Long tube headers.